All right, y'all. Cheers to me, I guess.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
This is the Redheaded Slut.
He said it, not me.
We start with half an ounce, of course, of Jagermeister, half an ounce of peach schnapps, and half an ounce of cranberry juice.
Oh. That is not the color I was expecting.
All right, y'all. Cheers to me, I guess.
Because you're a slutty redhead.
Looks like a power hour shot. Oh, wow. Did you take a little... Wow, dude.
It's an interesting taste. The Jaeger comes through, that's for sure. So if you're not a Jaeger fan, may not be the best drink for you. But again, it is smooth. Once it settles, it becomes more almost like a beer-looking shot, almost like a Pilsner or an IPA, kind of like a one-and-done shot. Licorice fun. It's a herbal liquor.
What's that word?
Liqueur, excuse me. I'm going for a 5.2 right now.
Funny enough, you know what I was going to say? Tastes like Robitussin. I give it a 4.9.
It's a slightly above average shooter.
5.2 is slightly above average. What's average?
5. I feel like if you're going 1 to 10, a 1 is bad, a 10 is good, a 5 is average.
This is below average. Wouldn't you say so?
No. I didn't love it, but I do think that particularly the peach schnapps, I guess with the cranberry, but really the peach schnapps came through for me and gave it kind of this unique, more textured flavor, a little bit of extra depth that I really appreciated. So I would be actually probably above the 5.2, but because I only get to pick which rating I'd be closer to, Ferbalicious gets this point. Did you try the Redheaded Slut, and I don't mean me?
For all of his ex-girlfriends out there, please do not comment. He's talking about the alcoholic drink.
If you tried the actual shooter here that we all just tried, let us know.
So if you tried the Redheaded Slut, like and subscribe. And we don't mean by him, but actually if you mean by him, I'd love to hear the comments.
And y'all, if you're going to try the Redheaded Slut this evening, please just do so responsibly. Cheers until next time.
What's this actually called?
This is called the Redheaded Slut.
Okay.
The joke is that he is a slut and he's also a redhead.
Or if you're a slow sipper, leave the hashtag.
Quit you pointing at me. Good.
Jaeger Red Bull is my favorite drink. I will drink that all.
Jaeger and Red Bull?
Jaeger bomb? Yeah.
Half an ounce of peach schnapps.
He's cutting us out.